There is a quiet truth that arrives not with a thunderclap, but with a gentle, persistent whisper. It says, "You don't rise by holding on, you rise by releasing." It's the subtle art of loosening your grip on the stories you've told yourself, the identities you've worn, the futures you once meticulously planned. This release isn't an act of giving up, it's an act of opening up to what's next. Because there comes a time when the life you so carefully built stops fitting the person you're becoming. It feels like a favorite coat you've outgrown. Once a source of comfort and identity, it now constricts your movement. The seams are straining, not because the coat is flawed, but because you have expanded. Suddenly, old dreams feel too small, like maps to destinations you no longer wish to visit. The ambitions that once fueled your every move now seem to belong to a younger version of you, a person you can still see in the rearview mirror with fondness, but who is no longer in the driver's seat. Old habits feel limiting. The comfortable routines that once anchored your days now feel like cages, preventing you from wandering down new, unpaved paths. The daily rituals, once grounding, now feel like reruns of a show you've seen too many times. And old environments feel heavy. The rooms you once called home, the city streets you knew by heart, the very air in your workplace. It all feels saturated with expectations you can no longer meet. The energy that once sustained you now seems to drain you, asking you to be someone you are not anymore. But know this, outgrowing your past isn't betrayal, it's evolution. It is the soul's natural, beautiful, and necessary impulse to grow towards the light. You are not abandoning the person you were. You are carrying all their lessons forward into a new season of existence. You are not who you used to be, and that's not scary, that's sacred. This shedding of skin is a holy process. It's a testament to your courage to listen to your own inner wisdom over the noise of the world. It is proof that you are alive, dynamic, and in conversation with your own becoming. You cannot build a new life with an old identity. You cannot paint a new masterpiece on a canvas that is already full. This moment of transition requires you to make space, to clear the clutter, to stand in the quiet emptiness for a moment, and ask not, who was I, but who am I now? So honor who you were. Thank that person for their strength, their resilience, for every choice that led you to this exact threshold. See the beauty in every scar and every triumph. And then, with grace and with courage, take a deep breath and walk forward into who you are becoming.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.